In the video that follow, you're going to learn the key fundamentals to building a successful Neolife business. We believe it is important for you to get your business off to a strong and fast start. There are 2 priority goals for your business. The first goal is to build a business that does 100 points or more every month through your personal product usage and your customer base. The most effective way to do this is to get your 3NN 6-pack and find 6 customers. This activity will equate to a 102 points business, plus you will earn your first retail profit. The second goal is to get a minimum of 6 distributors, often referred to as business builders. A business builder is someone who joins your team as a distributor and they also build a consistent business that does 100 points or more every single month. Aim to achieve these 2 goals in your first 3 months in the business, and this will create a great foundation for your income and business. Make sure to track your progress with the Strong Start Tracker on page 4 in your Getting Started guide. Here's a pro tip if you want to get off to an extremely strong and fast start. The more people you get started on products and the more distributors you get started as business builders, the better. This will increase your points volume and your income. So let's get started.